I just got done with watching this last episode, and I am certain I am not the only one who is in utter shock after watching whatever we were shown in the last few minutes. This ending was not half-baked like June's ending, but it did not do justice to this mini-series. When I tuned into this episode, I knew there was a surprise in store, but when we got to the part where they were burying Ahmed and Noor, it was confusing. However, the last few minutes had the surprise in store which came out of nowhere. Although it explained a great deal, I felt that this part of the climax should have been allotted a little more time. Umair's infatuation with his teacher was covered in these short scenes, and as a viewer, it was difficult for me to take it seriously. Also, the fact that the room was locked from the outside and could not be unlocked from the inside made me question Malik Hayat's IQ. And those parents who had so much faith in their daughter instantly believed that she could have done something like this. I felt that this entire development could have been much more convincing. If a little less time was spent showing the same flashback scenes and a little more on this angle, if it was to be shown, these last two episodes could have been far better. Although I absolutely loved Gunah, overall the last two episodes were slightly underwhelming as well as disappointing in some ways. This last episode only had shock value but made little sense.